Hello children, welcome back to your MS Access class. Today we will learn how to use forms. Now see, in the first line it is written, a form is a view of one or more tables that are designed to be used for data entry and editing. Basically it is used for inexperienced user to view the form, right? So how the forms are being viewed and used, let's go to the MS Access. There is the table which we worked on in the last class. There is a table. Okay, now here on the tab bar you see the first one is the home tab, create external data. Mine is the old version. It depends on the version, the layout of the software. So you may have a latest version, so it may differ from the screen what the laptop, the version I'm using. So don't get panic or this thing disturbed. It is okay. You will find the things what I'm telling, you will find it when I'll say. Can look for it and you will get it, right? Now home, create external data, data tool, database tools, and data sheet. First we'll click on the create because we are using on form and to create a form. Now here it is written tables, right? Here it is forms, reports, and the other. We have to work on the forms, right? So click over here, you focus over here, that is form, split form, multiple items, and these are there. We have to choose the wizard. So I'll click here, I'll get the options. Out of these options I'll go to the form wizard, right? While clicking that, I'll get all the fields shown in the table will appear here. Now see, roll number, name, class, school house, hobby, class teacher, and so on. So all these fields are here. In the form, what all fields you want to see? See, if I want to see the roll number, I'll click on the roll number and press these keys, or double click on the field, it will automatically shift towards the right side. And I want to see all the fields in the form, so I'll click this double arrow button like that. Laterally I feel that no, I don't want the teacher there, so I'll click on the teacher and revert back the change. Okay, so finally I have got 1 2 3 4 5 fields over here in the form I want to see. Then after doing this step, you click on the next button. The moment you will click on the next button, you will see the layout. What layout would you like for your form? So there, the column type, the tabular form, the data sheet, the justified. I will choose the columnar form. You can see the tabular form, the data sheet, the justified. I'll choose the first one, the columnar. Now after doing this, I'll click on the next button. Now here is the design, the style. What style would you like? I want the median, anything. Office is perfect. So I'll go to the office and then next. Now this is done. Click on the finish button. After pressing the finish button, your form will be created. This is the password I have applied. Okay, now these are the fields. Roll number, name, class, school name, and the hobby, right? Here on the top, if you see, there is a view, right? If you click on the form view, this is the form view. Next is the layout view. This is the layout view. And here it is the design view. And there you will get more option in the ribbon. Again, so just see the ribbon also, form view. You have get less options in the ribbon. Second, the layout view, you get more option there. And finally, when the design view, you get little more options. Okay, so this is the your form view, like, right? Now here if you see, in the first, again come to the form view. In the form view, if you see, there are few buttons, 1 of 9. What does it mean? If you want to doubly sure that what the entries are there are correct, you can go around, or anything else you want to see, you just click the next one, the next one, the next one, like that you can see your all the fields, right? So again you go to your this thing, form layout, okay, or the design. You want to do little bit coloring, so there the font color is there, okay. And again you go to the layout view. Here you will find more options. See, the colors are there. In the on page number, in the book on page number, see, uh, page number 45, if changing field formatting of form. How will you do that? You click here, you go to the color, you choose the color of your choice, then the line color, again the green color, and for filling I choose the yellow color. So this way, when you click, you can see the changes. Likewise you can do the changes. Now here is the design, okay. Apply the theme. From here you can apply the theme to the form. So many themes are there, okay. So children, that is all about the today's lesson. What you have learned, you have learned how to create a form, how to see the records, how to present your form type, the layout, and how to do the formatting in the form. So that is all about the today's class. And in the next class I will tell you about the relationship between the tables, okay. So that's it.